Good morning, Slinkies. Today is day 3 of my 7 days of vlogs. Hurricane Milton is supposed to hit today. It's kind of gloomy out, but he's not hitting till the afternoon. So that means that we could still go to the gym. I'm meeting Em and Mia over there. And today we're working out chest, shoulders, and triceps. So that should be fun. Chaperone is giving me strength right now. Bruh, I literally forced Julian to like stand by me and let me do all the exercises and tell me what the form is.
It's always you saying, I forced Julian this, I made Julian that.
It's never he wanted to. We should be doing cardio every day, by the way. I know. We didn't do any yesterday, though, because we were, like, dead. Like, yesterday
was, like, really hard. I don't know, like, what was in the air, but we were, like, dying.
Yeah, we ended up, like, doing 2 sets of the leg press. We were like, okay, we're done.
Sergeant entry, but I happen to see you, and this is my granddaughter.
Oh, you think I look like?
Yeah, my granddaughter.
Bye, have a good workout.
Eating the Hispanic allegations.
Let's go. We did 5 minutes. That's good enough for me.
Hey! We're going to First Watch because we're hungry.
You know, Em almost killed us yesterday.
Oh!
You're just making stuff up.
She almost crashed.
Making stuff up.
Okay, roll the clip. God, I left work, but
Do you have the clip?
I do have the clip.
Oh, you were caught.
I'm a good driver.
I'm so excited for First Watch. Excited about.
I'll get hungry soon. That was like too close for me.
What? The truck?
That truck?
Do these cars not know that I'm fucking hungry? Like,
Right.
can you get out the way?
Bro, it's like every time another one comes.
That black car got no sympathy.
I want to do that. I'm really excited.
Welcome to the menu.
Is it awkward that we have the camera like facing at them?
I mean, you guys can come to my house. It's just far.
I hate that you live far, bro.
I hate that you live where you live.
I feel really bad for you.
that you live there, honestly.
I don't understand how Martin and Hamza do this all the time.
Because they don't have, like, they just don't care. Like,
Embarrassment is not an emotion in their body.
where's the potato part?
It's just like some of the parts of the yolk are solid.
I don't like that.
Mia doesn't like that.
No, I'm like actually upset.
Everybody's feeling really bad for me right now. I have to like address these allegations. Like, yes, I drink milk occasionally, and that's fine.
We feel really bad for you.
Like, so bad for you, honestly.
Cheesy potatoes and chocolate milk. Praying for you.
I have an iron stomach. I'll be okay.
Do ya? Because I remember you arriving somewhere at Disney. Oh. She told us where she arrived.
Oh. Where is she?
Don't show the camera, but here's where she arrived.
Let me tell you, you guys will not want to be where she's at right now.
I'd rather arrive there than her sister location. Hey guys, we ate and now we're at Target. again.
I'm not allowed to buy anything.
Think about how
It's
much
just
you spend at the
cheaper.
hairdresser to get your hair blown out. Is it more than $53?
I think so.
So, and then this is just a one-time purchase, and then you just.
Stop doing girl math.
I just discovered this freaking invention. Apparently, it's a hair color machine.
Hashtag not sponsored.
But I'm about to see how much it is and potentially buy it and potentially dye my hair black tonight. So hey, why is it $120?
Happy Halloween, my little
I don't want to go to the gym with my cousin. She don't play about the gym. I want to see what she's doing.
What about us? We don't play about the gym. I'm researching. My whole apartment's gonna be full of shit, and then I'm gonna have a minimalist book on the table.
Comment down below what pony you are. I'm Rarity. That's Fluttershy. Low key, I feel like Alex would be what's the name? The purple one?
Twilight.
Twilight, but also she could be the little dragon.
Bike.
Yeah.
What are we talking about? Guys, I fear that I'm not getting this Kakucha whatever.
What are you talking about right now?
Kachava.
The Kachava. It's too expensive. The fact that I just realized that this has 7 servings in the whole bag.
That doesn't seem right.
Yeah. Like, yes.
It's gonna sink a little more probably. This is pretty good. And I can go like this because I like to sit like this.
Girl, get it.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, you should get it.
Where'd you put the kachava?
She's in a better place.
When I live at my own place, I'm not decorating for nothing. No holiday. I'm not putting up decorations.
your joy?
I don't care.
Yeah, you don't have
because
joy.
I don't like putting things up
do
to
you get
take
put-
them down.
How do you get into the spirit of the season?
I don't.
Okay, that sounds like a really upsetting life, honestly.
What?
I'm scared. What's happening? Oh.
You're getting grabbed.
How much are you gonna spend at Target?
$0. $43.24.
How much are you gonna spend at Target?
$90.39.
How much am I gonna spend at Target? $20. $73.07. Hey guys. So after I got back from Target, I relaxed for a little bit, and then my mom and I went to Publix and we picked up some cardboard boxes for me to start organizing my stuff. So this is just me taping them all together. Guys, I'm overwhelmed. I got home, I relaxed for like a little bit. My mom and I went to Publix, we picked up some cardboard boxes, and I'm starting to pack up some of my shit because I think I've mentioned it before, but I'm gonna mention it again. I'm like moving soon because I have a lot of stuff, so I'm starting to pack up the stuff I don't really use often. Hey, it is 11:15. And I'm just now going to bed. And my room is still a mess. Like, I have more work to do tomorrow, but I need to study. Anyways, thank you so much for watching once again. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and please subscribe because I just hit 500 subscribers and I'm really excited about that. We'll see you in the next one. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hey Slinkies. So today's Thursday, actually Thursday night. I was off of work today again because of the hurricane, but it really did not hit us at all. And I spent the entire day cleaning, deep cleaning my room. So I unfortunately didn't vlog because I was just too locked in, but there really wasn't much to see. From when I woke up and ate breakfast to now, I've been cleaning, and it is 10:49 p.m. So I already failed at my own challenge, which was having 7 days of vlogs in 7 days, but it's really just a challenge for myself to try and put out more content more regularly because I go through a lot of dry patches with my content and I don't put out as much as I would like. After this 1 week, I was hoping to put out about 1 to 2 videos a week after this. This was just to really motivate myself to start posting more. So unfortunately I did miss a day, but it was only really because I just didn't think there was anything worth watching. But we will be back to our regularly scheduled vlogs tomorrow. thank you so much for watching again, as past Alex just stated, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.